cutting open a Fram XG3614 that was recently pulled from a diesel engine. It was run for approximately 10,000 miles. And, you know, because it was run on a diesel, this oil is going to come out black. So here we go. It's all taken apart. Here's the anti-drain bag valve, silicone. Still seems good shape there. Bypass valve. Yep. Filter itself, I mean, it's in good shape. No tears, nothing got twisted out of shape. Here's the inside. Next I'll cut the filter element out and inspect. Oh, and just for comparison, on the left is the filter element out of a STP 3600 filter, and on the right is the XG3614 that I just took apart. Comparatively, I really like the construction of the Fram XG filter, although they are very similar. Alright, here is the filter. You may have heard about how the Fram XG series, they stopped using the wire back screen on the filter, so yeah, no wire backing here. This filter was installed a year ago, 12 months ago. No wire backing. Looks good. I mean, I tried shining a light on it. I'm not seeing any metal pieces in there. So, motor's still healthy. This filter did a very good job. And now we got new oil and new filter in there. Thanks for watching.